Welcome to Dan ARG YouTube. The topic where Emmanuel Agbogun bring come here today. Now CDA and Edo State Vigilantes. He says CDA don't come back again for Benin. He also talk about cultists. Say cultists don't find their way, take join Edo State Vigilantes and they don't use them, they do bad things. He don't advise the Edo State Governor, Godwin Obaseki, make he do something quick before it get out of hand. Make I leave you now, make you hear from Emmanuel Agbogun.
Yes. Good evening, my conscious and ever-progressive Edolites. If you're not here, you're just joining us, please help we over here to confirm if our volume it's actually doing fine. If you're here and you're watching us, please help me ensure our volume is doing very fine. Good evening to you all who are out there. Before we continue with today's broadcast, let me first of all apologize for coming up late. I have earlier said I will be live by 8 p.m. I got several calls for persons calling on me to come up live. I sincerely apologize for those wrong deeds, for not coming up live. It's not personal. You all know there's curfew in the town, and I had to ensure that I go home before curfew time, and also ensure that I reach out to those persons I needed to reach out to. So if you're confirming my audio is good, let me just hear you type good before we start today's broadcast. If you know my audio is okay, let me see you type okay. Okay, Beans Okumbo, I've just said it's fine. Good evening, Ebu Sele Okumbo. Okay, yeah, it's saying my audio is good. Prince Stanley, good evening also. If you know my audio is fine, I just want to be sure everybody is hearing me, because the last time I came up live to discuss with you guys, my audio was pretty bad. So if you know my audio is good, yeah, I can see Joy, I can see HJ, I can see Comrade Dave Asemota, I can see Daniel. Yeah, it's obvious. Stanley Prince, it's obvious, it's fine. So if you're just joining me now, I think we're good to go. The truth be said, if you're watching this broadcast tonight and you're not sharing, you're not inviting our people out there, I don't think it's the best, because tonight we are going to be discussing a whole lot of informative issues affecting us as a society and as a people. So please, if you're not sharing this broadcast, you're not inviting anyone on this broadcast, it's very wrong. I want you to do that now before we kickstart. Yeah? Wolf Safel. No problem, call him. Yeah, sorry for that. Please, if you've not shared this night's broadcast, please do so. Because I know as I talk the matter reach, I published one video 2 hours ago with on the trend for social media. I've been receiving calls both from people in government and also both from Edo Vigilante personalities, and also from concerned Edo citizens across the globe. The truth be said, the issue about this vigilante, my deposition here today, is not political. Firstly, I'm talking as an Edo son. Secondly, as an activist. And lastly, I will also be rendering solutions to these issues, as the case may be. Because you know, see, who they lament, you know, they give advice, you know, they give solutions. It just be like, see, they also they add fire to the flame, or they add fuel to the fire where they burn. That will not be our intention this period on social media, because we don't come to realize that social media is a vehicle, a tool to galvanize the people to ensure that we get ourselves informed on the best ways to assist and to complain about issues we're not pleased with in our society. Whether you like them or not, tonight we dey talk CDA also. Complaints wey we don get. I got over 40 complaints from our Edo diasporans over a community dispute in somewhere in Ovia, where lands have been delineated, boundary has been delineated even from the palace, and some group of elements, powerful people. I complained that there are some powerful people in our palace that they do everything to ensure that they pervert justice and derive people from getting their God-given rights, all in a bid to accrue monies and properties to themselves. So the much we are discussing this evening, now these areas we go to touch. So if you're with me and you have shared today's broadcast, put it behind your mind that you have also helped people who are troubled, people who their solutions are not being solved. You've also helped them to resolve those issues, as the case may be. Rightly this evening, as we're talking, truth no say make they no talk am. Truth no say make they no talk am. Some issues dey wey dey go on for Edo State wey be say not be even governor. Yes, make we start from the area of vigilante. Una see the video wey dey trend for my wall wey I post nearly about some 4 hours to 5 hours ago, and the truth really there be say this matters solution dey to the problem wey dey rock our state. And for me, I believe say as an activist, no be only for us to dey shout. Now this video wey dey trend, I dey house dey sleep this evening. Na some people dey call me say, comrade, abeg o, around Ugbowo, sorry, they killed 3 youths. Edo State vigilante are taking laws into their own hands. This person wey send me this video, e dey for corner dey observe. He say when they stop these guys, they first stop them, the vigilante dem realize say the guys dey be cultists, they know them well. They come bring the guys dem down, search them. I think in the process they found whether dagger or gun on one of them. They started beating the hell out of these guys. God, then one of the guys in the vehicle was shouting that, "Now help, these people help me, carry me reach here." They go my house. They still tie that one. They say you be cultist today, you go hey. They still tie that one. They begin to beat that one. At the end of the day, this was what resulted to what you are seeing and watching this evening. If you look very well, these guys were kitted with pump actions. You see, they brought this guy down. There was already a discussion that they will kill this guy. If you watch from the opposite side of the road, they are beside a primary school fence. Now, there was a discussion that they were going to shoot at this guy. Now, look at what happened. You see, they shot at the guy. Then everybody walked out of the scenario. I will play it again for you to see. Watch, observe. There was an agreement that they were going to light this guy. This was after 2 hours of holding down these guys, in their custody. Look at what they did. They sat the guy down. He was talking. Now, if you watch the guy who shot at him, he just came. He came into the scene and fired. Watch. You see, he walked into the scene, fired, and immediately left. So I don't understand. Now, we dey complain. Now, make us even protest against SARS. Say police dey kill people. When we get justice system, we get court of law, we get even criminal wey commit crime, e get right. E get a right to be charged to court. E get a right to be given bail if it's a bailable offence he has committed within 24 hours. Even criminal as bad as armed robber get right too. armed robber get right. That's the truth about it. That's the beauty of government. That's the beauty of democracy. That's the beauty of law. Or even a criminal has rights. Even somebody with a thief, he get right also. Now, it is an offense, even by law. It's an offense by nature to God for you to get your fellow human being under your custody, confide him, and also use force to eliminate him. It's an offense. Now, look wetin happen. These guys wey be vigilante, they identify somebody in a cultist. What is expected of them is to hold that guy down, call the immediate police formation, a DPO, a divisional police formation, or a police post, as we take get am for the state, or an area command, as the case may be, if you dey closer to their formation. You call them say, we don catch criminal, mo una come carry them. Now, when the vigilante they go raise issue also, because their work no be able to catch criminal, to make sure say this person they give to police, as they catch am, they give am to police. Police come go collect money bail, they inform the authority, then go ensure say they do the needful. Na be the work of vigilante. Because if these people dey terrorize that area, that one no be the right say as una catch them, una need to eliminate them. That one no be the right. So my Edo people, una see wetin they do. That video is going viral. I believe say by now governor go don see this video. I believe say by now deputy governor and the social media boys wey dey around am, I believe say the sponsor don show am this video. This one no be the reason wey make we say make vigilante dey Benin. If police even catch criminal, police dey shoot criminal for leg. No be to just eliminate somebody because say they give you gun. This murder, we are saying these things because Fulani herdsmen are killing our people. These vigilantes, they never deploy, they go forest where bandits they dey, where Fulani herdsmen, all those people be say they like them, where they be trigger lovers, where they dey, may they go the airports, they solve the issues. We agree say, to be very frank with you, I dey Benin. I know they talk am because say I want to talk am make favor anybody. Since all these vigilantes they come out for road, all those car snatching, robbery, stealing of phones, late night robbery, POS robbery, it reduced drastically. It's a good approach. And that one also to let us know say now the cultists dem wey we get for Benin and then see they do all these robbery issues wey we dey see. But e no mean say because say government wan stop and government will come dey recruit all these cultists. I know how many of the cultists dem wey I don see. The other day for Igbobayi market for Rama Park, I saw a dreaded cultist wey be say e don come beat some of us for protest ground during Oshomole tenure. I see am, the guy just pump passion. As he see me, he quickly throw him face. Now I slow down my car. I slowed down very well. I want me to see me. I reverse, go back. Now last, oh, but this work wey you dey do so, no go dey kill innocent people. Now I drive off. The guy just look me. As soon as I tell him that word, he cross the road immediately. Behind me just zoom, comot. I say no go dey kill innocent people. We dey watch you now. My brothers, my sisters, all over the globe. Truth no say make dem no talk am o. We dey pass through insecurity, no mean say we go come legalize lawlessness. Person wey you know say be cultist, you give am gun, he never renounce for that in cultism. You see you hear am for that video. Make I play the audio come out wey una hear for this video. Wait o. I want una listen to this video very well. Una listen to the audio. I no wan play the video. Una listen to the audio wey come out from am. You dey hear the talk say aye, Mona tie this one. Una dey hear am o for the video now. Make I play am again. He shout say aye, Mona tie this one. And information wey reach me say these people dey kiss una here dey be. And we know the ripple effect if by tomorrow now those other people they go gather for one side. Edo State government, why we are saying these things out is because we don't want this state to be plunged into crisis. We don't want this state to be plunged into crisis. Before I continue on this broadcast, even when we know say na CDA and vigilante matter we dey discuss, we still dey on vigilante issue. I wan still talk, play this audio more na here. I wan still play this audio, make Edo people make dem hear wetin dey go on for Edo State. e no good. E no good. We dey talk of CDA, we dey talk of oppression. Some people now they can't legalize wetin they dey do. I want make una just lis ten to this 2 minutes 16 minutes 2 minutes 60 seconds audio wey information take reach me. Mo una hear am.
The matter don tire me o, so
abeg I wan first start this video from beginning. If una dey watch me, mo una first hear wetin the person wey first start this audio, mo una hear wetin the person play come out. Oya, start.
The matter don tire me o, so abeg I hear this voice record. Abeg make me dey share am. Abeg. Case of not because say maybe 1 or 2 things. Me abeg make me dey share am based on KF, MBN wey me and you dey run. To the essence, zona head. One come dey follow Jews. They join Jew, they rebel strong man. As me I dey talk to you so. Zona elite squad go my community, go dey light and yes. June Paroma, they don't post here. June Frank, they don't post here because of boundary between community and community. Jews go report to Zona head, June Super, we say in a head for a zone with Bolo wall of them. As me they talk so that they light for inside community because of Jew. They like follow Ayez, they light Ayez, they post Paroma head, post me head. I beg, may they show this thing, may they show this verse record. I don't know what it can happen again, no. I don't know what it can happen again. They don't first plan rape before. Then they first carry motor. That year, we want to go kill Ayez for inside our community. Based on say Jew don't promise they say they will give their land. June Super now they talk so June Super he goes Zona head. Now they say they do all this matter so I don't know what it they happen again. MPN will me and you join. Oh, say more they protect each other. Don't they join Jew they fight Ayez now. As many they talk so they say Paroma they point of coma. Frank they point of coma. Some men don't go inside bush where they don't confirm, they never know. They don't go pursue people come out because see men now Jews give them say they will give their land for the community. Community where Oba don't say to say they will call the boundary. I don't know why head. We say na Junior Super come carry the matter come out, go do another thing. As many they talk so they say they don't let squad come back again now. They like for inside community, they find here where they want kill. I bet me they share this voice record though. The matter want too much oh. And he is not safe for where he is stay again home. I ask man, I wait till I see my quit tell me more updates go see come. I ask man.
So if you listen to this video very well, you heard what the young man complained about. And the persons who sent this video to me, I was very shocked when they were complaining that even they themselves, even as cultists, they are not safe. That in fact, this is just an introduction to what is going on in most communities in Benin City. This is just an introduction. Now, my people, I want to tell you something. I know say before I start this live broadcast, I talk and say I no go talk, make I no give solution to this problem. See, people wey dey commit crime for Edo State, na these cultists dem wey get for wey dey for Benin, and they know plenty pass we wey no be cultists. And I'm not sure say people wey dey government like our governor na cultists. No, I can vouch. I never hear. I don't know of any other person for the government o, but our governor Obaseki, I'm not sure say na cultist he be. I don't know that he go join the one wey dey on top. No, but all this our street one wey dey hear, I hear man fight and the rest. I'm not sure say Obaseki did that one. Even if everybody knows say me no dey support am, but that one I can vouch for the man say that guy no dey that level. But other people wey dey in government I no understand because the way these cultists dey take get power this period for Benin, I no just understand. So they don dey give them license gun, make dem dey carry the guard streets, and when they give them this license gun, they don dey make sure say even if they want say make dem dey secure us now, they for one formation they go put. Oh, you hear wetin dey happen before they kill that guy? He say aye, bring am come here, put that man down. Now they light am. That one mean say if Eye man dey for that their vigilante group, you no go agree make that kind of thing happen to your own fellow Eye man. The reason why they talk this thing, I don't know whether Edo people support say make dem dey bring I no know that why those people dey support say make cultists dey guide us for this Benin, but however na we wey be government, na we wey be government, na we go talk how we wan make our society be. The truth be said, our governor say una go dey do vigilante, no say una go dey fight injust war with vigilante. But if e be say dem give una opportunity as cultists, una fit save us, una wey say una dey fight oppression, una no fit talk come out say this oppression wey dey oppress armed robbers wey dem dey rob una, that one na wan cause up, una come still use am take dey turn am now to injust war. That one now I no understand o. Now if we say make cultists dey guard us, no law to talk how dem take dey operate, no formation, nobody know. Like for my area now wey me dey now, I know say vigilante dey my area, I no know who be their chairman, I no know who be their PRO, I no know their number, I no know anything. If something happen na question we go ask till we go get information. So I no know how government wan take do am for this side, but me I strongly believe say all these cultists dem, they no get right to dey hold gun. This is what government is indirectly doing now, is to give the authority to come out for full scale injust war. With what I'm seeing now, that's why we are drawing the attention of government. That's why we are drawing the attention of government today. Me I no know, but na the one in my eyes see, why I no say from this my platform I go fit take talk make change happen, na I dey after. I no blame governor, I dey talk am now here, I no blame governor say governor bring vigilante come out. I first talk and say since these boys dey come and crime come reduce small, but that one no be say they go come dey go dey light open net because they say make dem go dey guard. How we wan take know now whether the day they say they kill thief, how we wan take know say na real thief they kill, because nobody film them. Now this one we don get information now, so e no easy for somebody to stand for corner with where people wey hold gun they wan kill somebody, give you this kind of video wey you dey see. E no dey easy. Na for night, and for this video to come out, if Edo State government say dem no wan call these people wey do this thing to order because they know them, if they say dem no wan call these people wey kill innocent person like this to order, it is going to be something disastrous for us as a people. That one na the one wey I get to talk on this issue of vigilante. Now to talk about the solution, there is no way somebody will come and be doing vigilante all the way from Upper, they come Ipobayi come dey do vigilante, e no fit work. If you want to do vigilante, it's like neighborhood watch. Everybody protect your area. If the people in Ipobayi, if they are not being able to protect their own Ipobayi, is their business. The people in Ugbowo, if they are not being able to protect their environment, those of them wey dey there is their business. Those ones in Ekenwa, just like that, you cannot bring somebody from Ekenwa and say, we are posting you to Ipobayi, we are posting you to this. And no, let it be the people in their own area should protect their own area. That's why I see am. Because if you come dey do this kind of thing wey you dey see now, so I come dey drive my motor for night, somebody just see me say, na you that day, na you dey talk about here for TV, na you dey talk about here for your Facebook, abi we never see you this, na no be gone na for here. If I like you tomorrow, no be story dey talk dey go. Na so this thing don dey turn to for Edo State. So wetin we dey protect now, wetin we dey advise government as solution? The people in Ipobayi, let them be guiding themselves. The people in what is it called, Ugbowo, Ugbo, Amagba, Okoroma, Ogege, they guard in our own area. More than no come dey allow another person for one area say they send and come say na him be government, say state government give am power. Na lie. For like me, for my estate wey me dey so, na make I tell the allow people, if you say you dey come terrorize me for my area, I don't even need to come out from my house before they owe you. I don't need to come out from my house before they owe you, catch you. Because our area we are secure. That's why we first thing we will beg government. As I take support already, I say already I beg. The only thing you go fit help me, because I don't promise my people make them vote massively for you. Now make you come put street light. For the whole of Ipobayi, now only my street get street light. As you still beg again, senator listing, you can go put some for inside Rama Park. Now that place now, you say people they snatch bag and the rest. That place on the bright now. So if una no fit dey help una area na una sabi, but now if we see people now dey come under area say dem be vigilante, they come dey hold torchlight, dey do checking point for road, we will drive them because they want to turn this into another thing. So our advice to governor, our advice to the authority, particularly Ipobaoka local government chairman, who I see say dey try small, abeg make una make sure say una call all these boys dem wey dey do this vigilante to order. make sure una call the vigilante to order, because we don see videos of where even these courtists dem dey talk am say they support the government. If they no come give them money, if they no give them this one, they go make the state ungovernable. Now wey they don go give them license gun in the name of vigilante, Edo people safe? Na that question will leave for government hand, as the case be. So this very moment, we are now moving into the issue of CDA. Una know say I fit tell una say CDA don dey come back to Benin, and as CDA dey come back, we go ensure say we go dey expose them as they dey do all these things dey go. But why we dey expose them, we come still understand, because in the process of me I no be person be say I no dey bias. If I dey do something, I dey come out straight to talk am the way e be. I no dey do am say I dey find favour. No, na how Edo State wan take grow na I dey. Now this CDA now, the way they come take get level, me I come shock o, to the extent be say a governorship candidate for the state wey we dey, so everybody know say I support Eze Iyamo, so no be wetin I go talk like say I no know. Person wey dem know say me support, they carry caterpillar go inside a farm, they use caterpillar create road, say because say the man no gree sell the land, say because say the man no gree develop the place, say because say the man leave the land like that make e turn to bush, they enter inside. I never really see pastor, I never even call am, but I don hear the gist. So but me inside this week, I will make sure say I get hear from the horse's mouth. But that one wey me see so, my brother, that one na clear oppression o. Because me know say before they go do this kind thing, before they go fit go do this kind thing, those people wey we know say na dem dey support Obaseki, they go don go get permission from the authority people, ranging from the office of the governor, office of the deputy, office of the secretary to state government, because we no get chief of staff again for now. Obaseki never give me appointment as our governor for the now. He never give us appointment, say see when he wan appoint. Say na February, but we never see anybody wey he appoint. So the way the matter be, me know say before they go enter that kind man land, so they don first go seek higher authority, say we too wan go do, they say no wahala, go ahead, we will give you all the backings. So if na that one wey they dey do, make dem know say as they dey start am for this community, so na so e wan take spread like wildfire go other communities. Because e come be like say na people wey support Obaseki now, na only CDA dey take dey do, because most of the communities wey I dey go, the way I take dey hear the matter, I don fit dey resolve some o. So the moment I just call the chairman, I go say no talk am for social media, come to the community. I no go wan mention the community name, because if I mention the community, you necessarily say I dey mention the chairman name. Then just call me say come to the community, don mention our matter. As for the fact say you call us, we dey very happy. They say come to the community, they resolve the matter amicably, say no be our fault o. Because me come still see am say to unnecessary say most people wey dey for abroad, if una dey buy land, make una no just say because una no trust stranger, make una hire lawyer, make lawyer do better work for una. Because most of una family people wey dey say we know that person na chairman for community, by the time wahala come out, they go dey look on the basis of say na my friend, I fit go relocate and go another place. Na wetin I observe say be most of the problems wey we dey get. Some of them uncle go buy land from a friend wey be chairman, the friend dey don comot am as chairman now. All the land wey he sell, the new government wey come for the community say they must resell or they come rebuy all those land again. They begin to resell. Person wey buy land with 8 million, 6 million, 7 million, they will come dey repay another money for land wey they don buy. They don invest in again. Now most of those cases now, now we dey into, now we dey observe. So most community wey I dey call, as I call the chairman, go say they don first talk and say na you the Manalagbogun, okay, abeg no go talk for social media, carry the client dey come, make we sit down, make we discuss am. Very many inside this week, I resolve more than 4 or 5 inside this week alone. You know, so abeg, if you be chairman wey be say your former chairman don first sell land, you say you wan go resell that land again, we are coming for you o. We are coming for you, because our people there is more there, also particularly our daughters dem wey dey for Europe, they go just go Europe, na prostitution they go do, gather money, take buy land. You go just collect the money, your chairman go collect the money, you go say because they make you new chairman again, that land wey that woman suffer buy when she want to advance the cost of her family, you go say that land, say you don come hijack am, say you na you be Odunga for community. All those kind things, my brother, except say the report no near my table. If you near my table, I will create time out of my busy schedule for you. No matter the community, I will create time I will create time. I say it again, I will create time. So my brothers and my sister, before we start this evening, you know, so I tell una say this is our CDA solution wey we dey bring for social media here. We get 5 key points wey we dey look into. One na traditional, one na the PPP wey government bring come, one na judiciary, one na the host community, and lastly, one na you wey be the developer yourself. Na im be the 5 key areas we dey look into for this CDA level. So before we start, some persons wey be my fans, some persons wey be my ardent fans, they come me say for one community for Ovia Northeast, I dey come. Hold on, oh, make I call out the name of the community because I go call the chairman, making the secretary be the chairman. Any of them with their number go now because person wey buy land from them, I don fit dey call the chairman. They talk say make I go whether I know dey watch news. The way he talk, I know say that one. Be like say the school wey go, be like say no finish am. So if you say because say they say community dey pay, if they do community work, you don't know say law dey. You dey collect people money, they go dey build house, they go dey carry okpo, they carry different girls for town. You feel say na that one, na him wan help you. Meanwhile, another person swear to one person wan take better in life and that of him family. You sit down on top, you sell land for them. They sell land, you resell am again, collect money in the name of saying I get boundary dispute. We dey investigate una. So this night, now I know say the chairman no go know say I dey live video. So me, I wan fair call am, make the word fair here because I don try to call am. You know, he dey form hard to hard don chairman. You know, there's some of them they say they are chairman inside chairman. Meanwhile, na community land, and they do chairman. Their mates dey Europe, they drive tractor. Some they do bricklayer, some they do painter. Some of them they work hard to get money. They no toe that line. Na to dey sell community land, wey dem no dey think about their children they never born. Which one they wan come use when they come? Na to sell the land, na they know. All those ones now, like this matter so, na they involve for my table. Because I don investigate, go the community, ask question. Wetin dem dey tell me dey slightly different from wetin the chairman dey tell the client dem wey buy land from. So this evening now, we wan start this investigation. This investigation, so a minute please. Na very weighty one. Before I go start, I go first of all read the recent letter wey come out for Palace over this community. The recent letter wey come out from Palace, because you know say Palace get right to adjudicate over land, community land, as the case may be. So I want Mona listing. Mona look the letter. I mean, I no go say na so I take go. Mona look the letter. You see, you can see and say na Palace logo. So Mona see am. This letter now so. Now the client then for the community now then send me this letter even after I don't talk to the chairman. When I can't send the letter to the chairman, he can't call me back. I can't tell and say, chairman, I'm investigating you. I'm an investigative journalist, I'm an activist, and if I see say you oppress my people, I will go all out to ensure that appropriate authority take you up to any extent. If na jail you go land after you don't pack people money, millions of naira, take go to develop your own life and that of your family. People wey they want develop through your community land where you sell for them, you know, allow them get the land. So we dey observe. So make I read the letter come out. It say Benin Traditional Council, Oba Palace, Benin City, PMB 1025, King Square, Benin City, Edo State, Nigeria. Telephone 08155322826. I cannot see the number. Where email address follow. Then it say 2nd July, the date dated 2nd July 2020. The reference number is BTC A40/volume LVIII 214. Palm Moses Odionwe, Ohen, Egbain Village, Upper Ekenwa Road, Ovia Northeast Local Government Area, Edo State. Request for pronouncement document for Egbain Village in respect of boundary demarcation between Egbain and Igbo villages. Your letter dated 30th June 2020 on the above subject matter refers. The matter came up before the Omonobanedo Ukwa Polopolo Oba Benin Palace resolved that Ebe, you know, so I know say Mona no verse, so Mona no say I know they feel read pronounce Benin language where Mona no verse. Now my papa they will blame for that one. Say the junction between that community that led to Evo Lekpen village should be the boundary between Egbain and Igbo villages. Palace chiefs were thereafter instructed to plant traditional ekin on the specified areas. I hope the above satisfy your request. Thanks, Frank Irabo, Secretary, Benin Traditional Council. Now, before this later come out during this COVID era, in the year 2011, our Oba of blessed memory, Oba Erediawa, he bring out this resolution. I know say the chairman never know say me don investigate am like this. He bring out this resolution. Now, Mona hear wetin he read come out. He say His Royal Highness Oba Adun Akenzua, Obie Oba Adun Akenzua, Oge Obazua, the Palace Obazua, Ukehige Heights, 6 Uwa Street off First East Circular Road, P.O. Box 1283, Benin City. I am directed by the Omonoba Anedo Kwapolopola Oba of Benin to refer to your letter dated 29th August 2011, requesting for a copy of the Palace decision on the boundary dispute between Obazua, Igbo, Egbain and Obage communities, to say that based on the submission on the findings/recommendations of the panel of chiefs headed by Chief Iye Koretin B. Obaseki JP, the Obaruyedo of Benin, the Omonoba and chiefs resolve as follow. It was found that there are no traditional boundaries amongst the communities. The boundaries shown by the respective communities have no traditional landmark. They were recently created by them when land allocation began, and each community decided to get its own ways. The Igbo and Egbain jointly formed land allotment committee and sold parcel of land in the area until 2009, when Egbain opted to be on its own. That Obage being allocating land on its own, while Obazua is yet to commence land allocation. That Obage and Egbain occupy the same area, but with Obage's houses concentrated on the left-hand side of the old Ekenwa Road, while those of that since the boundaries shown by each communities were their individual creation, there is need to demarcate traditional boundaries among them. That the road of Obazua by Igbo Market should be the boundary between Igbo and Egbain, i.e. the right hand side of the road belongs to Igbo, and while the left hand side to Egbain, the road boundary runs across the new Ekenwa Road up to the moat, with inside as boundary between Igbo and Obage. The left hand side of the new Ekenwa Road, that the part shown by Obazua immediately after Aerovia, which runs across the road, should be Obazua's boundary with Igbo on the right hand side of the road and Egbain on the left hand side. That Ovia and Azoba land are owned by the Abon Evo, I cannot pronounce this name, I cannot spell it, and not one community. All the communities should continue to jointly own and serve the Ovia deity. That the old Ekenwa Road from Obazua Road should be the boundary between Egbain and Obage. The right hand side of the road up to Igbobi boundary belong to Egbain, while the left hand side up to Irua and Owina boundary belongs to Obage. That the houses of few persons that fall on another community side and the palm plantation owned by Mr. Felix A. Made, for which he has a certificate of occupancy, must be left for them. When I hear this resolution where our monarch talk about in 2016. Now this resolution, installed in 2011, this resolution committee sits. I don't want to pronounce the name of the committee, the chiefs who involved for this committee, but I won't go into details. Now after Obadon sit down and discuss this matter, resolve in 2011, community begin to live in peace. In 2019, now they approach Palace again. Palace still come out give a resolution say wetin my papa don talk put. This our Oba say he no go fit talk again. That decision wey him papa take na wetin he still follow. He continue like that. All of a sudden later emanate from Palace on the 2nd of July 2020. As that letter involve from Palace, una go hear make I call the community chairman make una hear wetin he go talk, because this way they do for Benin e no good. This way they do care for Benin e no good at all. E no just make sense, because most of these things na people that they see they turn back into poverty. People wey wan try elevate themselves from poverty, then they return them back to poverty. Imagine somebody wey follow Europe from Libya, use leg follow enter Europe, go dey hustle, manage send 1 million come back house make dem take buy land. They go buy land, pay community molo and everything. Somebody just come and say that they need boundary. For that reason, the land wey that person buy don gbase, otherwise they come buy the land from them again. My brother, more they reason this thing, are it good? Is it good? So before we continue, make I quickly call this man wey say na him be chairman, because I don dey call, I don get all of them their number. The beautiful thing be say the person wey go buy this land for this my complainant, he no even get the chairman number, he no get the person wey buy land from him number. And as I start to dey investigate, land say come, if you no go bring that person come, I go arrest you. Carry police arrest you for money for wetin they call am obtaining under false pretense. I go arrest you. Law dey wey go charge you to court. I make sure say I tell my lawyer to draft a very formidable petition. Hello, good evening. Can you hear me?
Hello, good evening.
Good evening. Am I speaking to this my brother from Egban community?
Egban? No.
Okay, sorry. Who am I speaking with, please?
I live in a Go community. From a Go community.
Okay, you are from the Go community.
Yes.
Okay, my brother. Complaint dey down on our community where they say people wey buy land. They say land wey they buy, say una just sell land for them, collect their money. Land wey they buy, they no hear anything about the land.
Yeah.
They know the money wey they buy the land, they no hear wetin dey happen, wetin dey sup, wetin dey happen.
I say they buy land, say they no hear about the land. That one no be true. I know say many of them they see their land. The only thing wey we see is say in 2011, na our Baba the then Oba Ejiawa, they market land dispute between 4 communities. They go, they buy Obazuwa and Obaki communities. So now since then, our people they sell, they allocate land for the part where Oba give them. 2012, Obaki appealed the judgment. So we Baba, we Palace constantly send panel of chiefs. We they go through this thing again. They don't uphold the judgment for 2011. 2019, the black people still go appeal the DC again for this time of our Baba Oba the second. Oba the second on the 15th of August 2019 uphold the Palace verdict for 2011. So since that time, we dey sell land there peacefully, they give allocate land to people, and all of them get their land, no wahala. Now recently for this 2020 last year, I was surprised around after the COVID-19 this thing, we see say that people give brandish
one paper say na Palace give them say Palace don change the plan na that same parcel of land where e go community don dey sell dey allocate land for almost 10 years now. Say Palace say na their own. Okay, make we go verify the authenticity of this paper because we not did all the judgment they don't give us. The four communities again. This one will not be there. And so they carry talks and go enter bush begin pursue land developers. Those who don't sell land to house where they don't, some of them don't build. So that's all we see and that's all the one at this time. But most people they are aware, they just enter bush, pursue everybody.
Who be the people who enter bush pursue everybody?
The bad people.
When you say that they pursue everybody, which people that they pursue they gather boys, I be waiting they go how they take one.
They just factors with guns. Just invade the area. Then they begin force out the people who don't allocate land to themselves. All I tend to tell them, say, make the council, now true, say, they don't turn the judgment, make we verify for Palace, no will, they don't wait. Land will don't say before, they will overtake them, or show people, who some they don't build, so they don't even build, no same some, they attack them, you know, break this thing. They are some of them, they are winters.
So when all this thing happen for that community, what una can do?
What we do, we report to police and say what did happen. Because before they start, they too fair wrong, go do some this thing for police, we attack them. Our own all this year, we don't do any attack.
For which police now they talk about so? Now stay CID, I been a
CID, so we can use the able to tell the attack, so they able to come with the cover of police. Before one of our person come call police of that, we don't understand what they happen. They will join their person. Meanwhile, they don't carry talks, center bush. Until now, almost every day they are shooting and doing everything in that area.
See now, so.
You know, so we never see this guy before.
No, my brother, wait, hold on. You said till now, so they see they shoot gun for inside of the bush.
Not be small zero. Not be small. Because this is our community. We know they sleep with 2 eyes closed. Just carry on to terrorize our people. Not be small zero. Not be small one.
Okay, the leader and the chairman for that Egban community, so. You feel give us a name and a phone number?
I don't get a phone number. I don't know. I said I'm not going to ask some of our people. We don't get a phone number.
So now, from what you tell me now, I just want to ask you this question before I cut your call. The letter where they say when you say they bring from Palace,
Yes.
Wetin that letter talk?
A letter.
Where they say they bring from Palace.
What they bring? They write, I think the one when I see, they write 2nd of June 2019. I just changed it. But since that time, they don't tell us that party they go on. So and around towards November last year, and around November here, I begin to read the district. But that is one letter say. Now from Palace. Now we say okay, we go back to Palace to verify the authenticity. Which they say they change the verdict, which they don't give us 2011. The second was 2012, so 2019. We about to keep that paper, we about to keep that verdict. Say as they talk about 2011, now so, he wants to make it be. So we're not going to understand this one until they say letter. Okay, let us go and go verify.
Okay, as una don't go Palace go verify the letter.
Right, you know, say for now, all the COVID-19 now, Palace never the.
No, the office of the secretary to the Palace is always open, whether COVID or no COVID. Una don go palace go verify the letter for secretary ask am say this.
We write. They say make we write. Now that will be the normal process.
Yes.
They say make we write. That was what you go. So our elders are writing to get in order to get the feedback of what the transpire. If really not true, because what we believe say when palace don pass judgment on something, the one who think palace talk is not the change. So now what we believe.
No, the question wey me ask you now so na different question. Una don write letter to verify so that this letter wey dem bring come out the shade and then get land. Una don write am to palace say palace na una bring this letter come out to counter on a previous judgment. Okay, abeg the copy of that letter me go call you tomorrow. I no know as I want to get the copy of that letter wey una don write. Thank you very much for talking to me this evening because you don tell I dey try wan call you but I come send you message say I go call you in the evening make we discuss make I know wetin dey happen because people wey buy land over 60 something plot of land wey dey abroad they don come complain to our office say land wey dey buy for una community dem no fit develop the land say dem no get land dem make dem come rebuy from dem again so dem no understand. So this one wey you dey talk say na palace later I want to verify because if e be say na una dey go dey resell somebody land again we are going to take it up.
Not the way at all. We don't see say we will sell land to person. We will still go dey fight the person again. We don't dey in our rival community. Na wetin we see. Now where we don dey allocate land dey sell land for over 10 years. We even dey sympathize with the people. They tell them say make dem patient until maybe we get the reply and then we also if not true and then we can write another appeal to the palace to make the check if really comes out okay then palace really obtain the district wey we know if the not true we appeal to palace.
Okay, no problem. Tomorrow I go call you make I get a copy of that letter wey una write. Make we verify from the secretary of the palace. Verifying the letter wouldn't cost the palace anything to verify it if the letter is from them, because the letter that I saw has a reference number, so we are going to verify. There's no problem. But if una know say na dey do that one because the thing wey dey tell me dey say na una wey dey sell am say make dem come rebuy again. This one wey you don dey talk say na egban.
They say na we say make dem come rebuy the land.
Yes o.
No, not the we. God forbid.
Okay.
And when you sell land for no sir wait because no clear something. You will sell land for a person. You still come sell land when they come back from you again. Is that possible?
Okay.
It's not possible.
No, that one a crime. That one a stealing. A oppression be that one.
So now we sell our rival communities so they disturb people who don't sell give for some people don't sell give 5 years ago, some 2 years ago.
Okay.
Some people want that since 10 years now.
One woman waiting for Europe wey be say her husband don die. The only property wey the husband get for Benin wey the husband buy when the husband dey alive na una community dey 10 plot of land. They get una community that una ego approval. They get everything wey they send give me. The woman say na that community the husband from buy land. He don even fence one side of the land where they build they don do foundation. So now they come take drive workers so they say make they go clear the land. They drive all the workers comot. So they say make they come rebuy the land again. Okay, no problem. I will get back to you tomorrow. No problem.
Clear from her. Who drive our workers? For many of them, don't they complain to us. Now we beg them, say make them patient. Some of these people don't sell out. Some of them they report of our people. We sell for them.
No problem. Tomorrow I will verify. Tomorrow I will verify and get back to you. No problem.
We don't get this kind of crisis before. They say they don't return the judgment to them. They begin pursue land.
This young man is saying the same thing he's saying again. So we are going to cut him short. So my people una don hear. They say he get community. One of the year now, how most of this community their wings still dey fly. They say e get community wey they call Egban and one wey they call Ego. Say Oba don first in 2011 don first make dem delineate boundary, then delineate the boundary, set up chiefs, palace chiefs, make dem go look into the community, know where boundary pass. They come look am, hear from all the communities, they sit down, judge all the matter. When they judge all the matter finish, they come resolve say na so and so time they will cut boundary. They come go cut boundary. Now make I even show na one of the video wey my complainant sent to me, say na this one I even make am pay the balance of the money for the land. Mona watch am.
That was the jubilation that rented the air after the palace of the Oba of Benin gave judgment in favor of Igbo community on August the 15th, 2019 in a case of boundary dispute between Igbo and Igbo communities. Few months after, the people of Igbo are out in a protest to condemn the move by some indigenes of Igbo community, dragging them to the palace for the fourth time over the same matter.
We came asked to thank the Oba for affirming the judgment of
2011. We
want to appeal to the Oba that we will never disobey the palace as we are in full support of 2019 August judgment.
After the judgment, they planted trees on the boundary. We don't know why they are trying to change it. We want the palace to come to our aid.
We were taken aback upon another invitation this October that the people of Igbo has fashioned another appeal on same subject matter. We reject this fourth appeal by the people of Igbo, and we appeal to the palace to put the people of Igbo where they belong, as they have continued to disrespect the decision of the palace since 2011 in the guise of appeals. We will continue to be grateful to the palace for upholding its decision since 2011, as it is clear that the palace is the last habitat to resolving boundary issue amongst villages.
On his part, Oteore of Igbo community, Pat John Aibweku denied knowledge of the matter, saying that no one has the right to appeal the decision of the Oba of Benin.
It is true that the palace has settled the land dispute between Egba, Ego, Ibagi, and Abazoa. That was about 2011. Few months ago, Abayawa the second also decided in favor of Ego. So I have no objection. You don't expect the Aba to change his wording. It's yes, and that's what I meant in Benin. He has a penalty over the land in Benin.
The indigenes of Igbo community also used the opportunity to pledge their loyalty to His Royal Majesty Omonoba Nedo Ukwakolopolo, Oba Ewa II, the Oba of Benin. I.O.J. Ore reporting.
So una watch, if you dey follow the broadcast, you go see and say as the thing they talk and the thing even dey news. So no be me Mandela Bogunfe dey talk am o. So this week we will enter, so from on Wednesday we are going to carry full-blown investigation, because this is the first area where we have over 40 complainants talking about this same community. They bought land, most of them in Canada, some in Italy, some in Spain, Madrid. I think another one again that called me. He contacted the guy in Spain that introduced him to buy the land in the community. That one called me from, I think, Imota. The guy was very bitter today. He was very bitter. He said he has finished building poultry. Before they announced that the poultry is close to where people want to live, he said no, when the area become fully developed, he will relocate his farm. But for now, since that's where he has invested his money, let them allow for him to come and send his workers to the farm. He saw that they have taken over his poultry. In fact, the poultry was now used as a particular portion of the poultry where he constructed was now used as a camp by these people terrorizing the community. So that is in this aspect. So as you guys have heard, this Egban issue, Egban and Ego, this is their issue. Our people who have complained about land, whether they are from Egban people or from Ego, please, I want to beg the two parties, anybody that you know you sold land for, go and resolve with that person. If you know that you are the one also going to use the back door to collect land that people have bought, disease from it, because if we expose you, we are also going to ensure that we also use our strength as activists to mobilize our lawyers to take you to court, whether you are the chairman or you are the Odionwe. You cannot be playing with people's investment for life. They cannot pay you money, or you say because you want to sell land, you go and be joking people's investment when they have bought land legitimate. We are not going to tolerate that. So for now, we don't know who is saying the truth. But with all these evidences before us, we are also adjoining member of the public who also have useful information that can guide us in this our quest. Because we know that people in the society are also aware of what is going on. These things are not being done, in another planet. It's done here in Edo State. So there are people who are well informed about this matter, honest Edolite, who know what is transpiring in that community. Please also avail us the opportunity of giving us first-hand information. But on this subject matter, we are going to open a formal correspondence with the palace as to the decision of the palace, because they are now basing their decision on the basis of the palace. So we are going to open a formal correspondence, knowing fully well that the palace has the statutory right to do what they have done over the delineation of lands in community and boundary of communities in Benin. So we are not going to blame anybody now, but whoever we find wanting, we are going to ensure that we do everything humanly possible to mobilize our legal strength, our legal department, to ensure that they prosecute those persons till they are being seen to have been faced, to face the law as the case may be. So having said all of this, you guys have heard what has transpired. So if you know any of these people that are doing this, either from Egban or from Ego, please start calling them now. Start calling them now. And there's no way I would want to end today's broadcast without talking about the issue of late Kehinde Adun that was killed in Oluku in his mother care guest house. As I speak to you, police have launched full-scale investigation, and from what I see with the police, I believe I can say to an extent that the family should have confidence in the police and see what they can do, because the nature of the matter, I think some names have been mentioned, and they are going to invite those people to talk about their role that they played. So having said all of this, if you are just watching our broadcast tonight, please ensure you place your hand on the share button. And if, I repeat again, and if you know that you are a member of this community that they've complained about, this Egban and this Ego, I am not talking about those of you that are the community people who is right or who is wrong. My interest here are those poor developers that want to own a property where they will use to advance the cause of their family and their livelihood. You people are now making them to look as if they cannot have hope in their own place of origin because they are far away. We are not going to keep mute. We are going to ensure that we do everything humanly possible to protect their rights. It's a taboo that somebody will pay you money for what you legitimately own, and later it turns out that you are not the owner of that thing and you are still keeping to the money while the person has let go of the said land that you or him or the community sold to him or her. So that is the case we are currently talking about. We don't know whether palace give judgment or not. Our own is the monies they are paid, they must have value for that money or refund their money back to them. That is the way it is. So having said this far, when I hear the issue of vigilante, we will talk, and this issue of CDA, I don't sit talk and say those people they do organize CDA now for Edo, where na God will take the look on, because on a fishing alone na no Satan, or on a fishing alone na get right to the oppress our people. We go tell on say this time around the business cannot be as usual. We are ready to do everything humanly possible to ensure that we bring people to book. You cannot be selling over people's acquired land and believe that peace will reign. No, it cannot work. Edo State is not a lawless society. Once again, before we leave, we want to make this appeal to our Excellency, Governor Godwin Ogegase Obaseki. Please, my Excellency, this vigilante issue, you have to look into it too. Before Edo State become a banana republic, this vigilante issue, you have to look into it. The murderers of those people, by tomorrow we are also going to come up live to let you know their location and where that incident actually occurred. So on the meantime now, look at what is trending and also try to also condemn it if you know that is happening in your area. Don't say because you are APC or PDP, you don't know who they will kill next, if it's your brother or your cousin or your friend. So please, my Edo people, we don't want our youth to be slain for nothing's sake. If you know you are a vigilante and you are a trigger lover, volunteer yourself to secure our forests. Volunteer yourself to fight Fulani bandits, the herders. You see what Sunday Ogbowo is doing in Oyo State, in the Yoruba land. You can also volunteer yourself to lead some of these trigger lovers into the forest to protect our farmers. Then some of us will give you kudos. Then some of us will come out to say that you people have tried and give you a pat on your back and tell the people to support you, if that's the case. But if you are coming to say that it is our youth in the street in the name of courtesan, because they give you gun to carry, if you look at somebody use pump action at that close range to shoot at somebody, you can imagine the pain, the sort of hard death that they have caused them in the name of state authority. So that's why when some of us say that the state government is giving them soft landing, the state government is giving them a pat on the back, this is are the clear reasons, because we don't come out to alert people on the basis of presumption. We first of all verify the evidences and the facts before speaking. So having said this far on today's broadcast, I want to take my leave. Even if when we're broadcasting, the broadcast grew as far as 300 to 350, but now that we're about leaving, we're just barely 185 to 200. So if you're with us and you have listened to us, taking time to listen to us, please tell your loved ones at home, those of them who their lands are being swindled and they bought land, they cannot have access to the land, please inform us. The best we can do, we will do. The best we can advise, we will advise. But if you be say they just swindled at your land, send our community, that land will be refunded back. I can assure you 100%. That land will be refunded back to you. So please, our monarch has said that nobody should be doing CDA in Edo State. The Edo State government has made a law, PPP law, to say they have prescribed and scrapped CDA. So please, those of you that are coming under the disguise of chairman and O'Hare and Okaigele to commit havoc, we are ready. We are ready to ensure that we bring you to book, because you are the ones giving Benin bad name. Do you know how many of our people in abroad that want to develop that are scared of coming to put their investment back home here because they don't want to fall into these hands of CDA and money, what do you call it, money mongers that we have in the States. Just as I'm about to leave, I have seen one of my brother here, Iya Eve. He's saying that, brother, good evening, please, I need your number. I have a land in Igu. So please, if you need my number, my numbers are on my wall. But for the purpose of what you just said, and for the fact that I'm seeing it, I will respond to you now. My number is 080-3364-1993. 080-3364-1993. If you are my viewer out there and you have my number, do me that favor of reposting that number. But after the end of this video, I'm going to paste my number out there for whoever wants to call to reach some of us. So remember, we are still boycotting the eating of beef as a show of protest over the continuous attack on peaceful farmers in Orion local government for the now. So once again, if you are just joining us and if you have been here with us, I remain no other person than yours, noble right activist. Please, if vigilante is oppressing people in your area, my phone numbers are open. Call me. I will immediately call the SSG. I will immediately call the deputy governor. I will immediately call the governor to ensure that they put a stop to all this. You cannot be oppressing people in the name of safeguarding the people. The primary purpose of government is to protect lives and property. If the government is derailing on that part, that is a total show of failure. So on this issue of vigilante here, I am not blaming the governor now. Get it straight. The governor had good intention to have set up vigilante. But the actors in the vigilante, they are the issues that we are talking about. There's no society that does not have vigilante. In fact, in developed country, everybody is a vigilante because once you see, you dial emergency number. But here, in our area, there we don't have the emergency number. In fact, sometimes if you call DPAV, he does not have light to charge his phone. His number will not go to call his police to come to your aid if the need be. And in most cases, police don't have vehicle. In most places, the roads are not motorable for police to use. So that's the same reason why we need this vigilante. But while we are needing them, we should also try to see how we spotlight the bad issues, the bad areas where they are not doing good, and make sure we put them under check. These guys cannot be carrying pump action and just killing people, and nobody is bringing them to book. So that is the case for now. Whatever community you have issues with, try to inform us on time so that we can always do the needful for you. Once again, I remind all that person and your noble right activist, please ensure you do your own quota by being a proactive citizen. Remember, you are always the first vigilante for yourself before the government organized vigilante. If you know civil yourself to ensure say your area and your neighborhood is secured, you are doing that and you are living. You are doing that, you are not doing it, you are putting your life at risk. You are doing that to ensure that your neighborhood is secure. You are living in an environment where you can sleep with your two eyes closed. I think that's the best things that we can do. Once again, I remain yours noble right activist. Election have come and gone. Let us ensure that those states move forward. This is our own simple contribution for today. So I want to thank every one of you, those who have left and those who are still here, for your continuous patronage of our platform. Remember, we are into CFO and land acquisition. So continue to patronize us at Comrade Aigbogun Emmanuel TV. Inbox us, write us on WhatsApp. We are there to serve you better. Once again, remain blessed. For now, I want to say a big thank you to you all who are out there. Good night and bye for now.
Now wey you don hear from Emmanuel Agbogun, let us know what you think for comment section. And before you go, make you help us share this video. If you never subscribe to Dan ARG YouTube, try make you subscribe so that make you for dey current with all the things wey dey happen for Edo State. So make I leave you with this video, make you help us share am. Thank you for watching Dan ARG YouTube.